Hey guys, it's Connie from Elyxrs Luxury Skincare, and today I'm just going to show you the basics of making deodorant. It's really an easy process. So what you want to do first is, this is for a customer that I'm making this, so I'm wearing gloves, got my hair up, sanitized everything with alcohol, 91%, and I have everything ready to go. I have my oils, they're at about maybe 195, 200 degrees. I have all of my dry ingredients. And then essential oils going into this one. So this is a deodorant that I can't keep in stock. People keep reordering it. I have a certain ingredient in here that actually will repair the wetness. So it helps you to stay drier, therefore no odor. So I'm going to show you how I do this real quick. And I have my mixer on the back counter because my island actually doesn't have a outlet on it. So I put about half of it in. Then we're going to go back here and mix it. And you want to mix good and well to get all of the lumps out. Nothing like a lump of deodorant. And also a good tip is, depending on where you're going to ship it to, you'll want to increase the wax. Otherwise, the deodorant might arrive to them, it's going to get a little liquidy. There's 3 steps: your wet ingredients, your dry ingredients, and then your essential oils, and then you want to pour it. If it starts to get a little thick, pop it in the microwave. So we're going to put it in there for about 15 seconds, add the essential oils, and then we're going to pour. That's the good thing with deodorant. If it gets a little thick, you can pop it in the microwave, get it a little runnier. This one is actually scented in like lavender and lemon, clove. It's kind of a nice fall scent, and it's good for men and women. Both love this scent. These are about 2.5 ounces actually. This recipe makes 2.5 ounce tubes and about 5 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go, and I will finish this up on my end. Most of my recipes are free. I try to give you guys a lot of recipes so that you're not having to waste time and ingredients and money on trying to figure it out. I have in a group, Artisans, Soapers, and Crafters Collective on Facebook. And basically on there, there's videos with a lotion tutorial that's free. I have hot processed soap, that's free. There's a lot of good recipes on there. We have a lot of contributors as well that will put recipes up there. A lot of recipes in our files. Artisans, Soapers, and Crafters Collective. So basically this recipe for deodorant is on my website, www.elyxrs.com. And you'll be able to see the spelling on the website. So go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you later.